Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review on a concealer that I feel like I should have been done a review on, but at the same time I was kind of iffy because I heard good reviews and bad reviews and I didn't know which way to go. So I decided to go ahead and do a review on the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This was so overhyped to the point where I was like, okay, this may be actually better than the Tarte Shape Tape, but I honestly don't know because I do love the Tarte Shape Tape, but y'all know what happened. Like, I don't want to talk about it. So I want to go ahead and see if it's a good dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. So if you guys want to stick around and see how I feel about the concealer, then go ahead and keep on watching. So moving on to the claims, it does claim it's a long-lasting coverage. Conceal and define your look with this ultra blendable formulation. So that's all it says on Ulta. It doesn't really say much, but I really do love the packaging. I did decide to go ahead and get the shade C13, but what I'm gonna do right now is swatch it against the Tarte Shape Tape just to see if the colors are very similar. So this one right here is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. And this one right here, you guys, is a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I will say the Makeup Revolution Concealer is a little bit dark. Like, compared to Tarte Shape Tape, this one's a little bit more golden, but this one right here looks very dark and neutral. So hopefully it does look a little bit better on the face, but let me go ahead and apply it. I'm tired of talking. I'm just so excited to see if this is as good as everyone says it is. So just by applying it, you guys, it really does feel like the Tarte Shape Tape. Like, it feels the exact same with formula. Very creamy, but also a little bit thick, but not too thick on the face. So far, so good. So let's go ahead and take the Beauty Blender right here and blend this all out. I am low-key nervous because I've heard so many good reviews, you guys, but at the same time I've heard some bad reviews because Makeup Shayla, she didn't like it on her face and it didn't look good on her face either, but so far I'm not having any issues with it. But just let me go ahead and finish blending it out. So one thing I do want to mention is it does look really good underneath the eyes. It just blurs out every single wrinkle I have and dark circles and all that good stuff. But at the same time, it does crease a lot because looking at my under eyes, when I go ahead and pull it down, it does have a lot of creases there. So I don't know if it's like the Tarte Shape Tape because whenever I use this, I didn't crease as much as this concealer. But nonetheless, you guys, it still looks very beautiful on the skin. But to set the face, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Contour with Makeup Shayla. This is so good, you guys. I love it so much. I've had it for about like a year and a half, maybe 2 years now. And I still love it. So today we're just going to go ahead and set the under eyes. I'm not really going to bake because I don't feel like doing that today. But let me just go ahead and set it. Alright, so I'm done setting my under eyes and everything looks really good, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and I'll be right back to tell you guys my final thoughts on the concealer. So see you in a second. Alright, so I'm back with my final thoughts on the concealer right here, and I will tell you guys, it is so freaking good. It is really good. It did live up to the hype. I feel like everybody was talking about it for a reason and now I know why. I love how it's full coverage, but it blends out so well on the face, and it doesn't look cakey whatsoever. The only con I will say, you guys, is I crease so much underneath my eyes. Like, every time I look underneath my eyes, let me grab a mirror, I just see so many creases underneath there. So I don't know if I baked my face. If I was to bake my face, it will probably help a little bit. But for now, I just say the creasing is a no for me. But I do recommend it. It's $8. It has so many colors out there. Is it a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape? I will say it is. They feel very similar. They look very similar. The wands are, you know, almost the same. So it is a great dupe. That's everything I have for you guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have anything else you want me to review, please let me know down below. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.